गोंयांत पर्यटन आनी IT मळार उर्बा दितना येणावळ आनी रोजगार प्रति स्क्वेअर मिटर हो फंडा चालीक लायतले. पर्यटन आनी IT मंत्री रोहन खंवटेन सांगले. जाल्यार पर्यटना कडेन संबंदीत आशिल्ल्यो सेवा ऑनलायन करून सुटसुटीत करपाचें आश्वासन रोहनान दिलें. दोनापावला जाल्ले एका कार्यावळीत तो पत्रकारां कडेन उलयतालो. पळयात.
Things cannot happen overnight, but we will try and expedite the things. We have a very focused areas of tourism that we need to look upon, and in days to come we will ensure that we create the right thought as far as Goa as a tourism destination, Goa as a IT destination is concerned. We will see the changes, the challenges of creating opportunities for our locals, and also ensuring that revenue to the state both are looked at. So it's revenue, I keep saying revenue per square meter and employment per square meter is a funda which we need to look at as we facilitate things for the tourism of the IT industry. The online services will be given for registration, renewal for all types of hotels, guest houses, water sports, other activities where everyone has to come to the department or to the RFC. We want to streamline and ensure that through online they are able to get their services right. And end-to-end service करण्यासाठी trust the Goikar or trust our person will be the thing. And keeping minimum paperwork, having concepts of digital locker, everything put together, we will ensure that people are easily able to have their certification and process of registrations very easy and at their house. E-signed documents will come once all the procedures are completed. A basic thing which I am talking to you will be spoken much more elaborately as we launch the service.